Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, and my distinguished fellow speakers, it is an honor to be part of the World Forum 4.0. The fourth industrial revolution, as we all know, refers to our current period of rapid technological growth, which is fundamentally changing the life and the way we live. By drawing on a multitude of advanced technologies, Fourth Industrial Revolution blurs the lines between physical, digital, and biological worlds as it brings together technologies from artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, robotics, 3D printing, genetic engineering, quantum computing, and other areas to work together in one direction. The fourth industrial revolution, friends, is altering nearly all sectors of the economy, and in the process, it is altering our lives. Following the COVID pandemic, India has reported a huge surge in the usage of AI at 45% compared to US, UK, and Japan. The Indian ecosystem is confident enough to witness the quick penetration and adoption of Industry 4.0. The pandemic in India has been particularly disruptive. It accelerated further the growth of India's digital era with remarkable transitions to technology, industry, and society. We ourselves in India have been really surprised at the speed by which our economy and our lives has become digital, more so during and after the pandemic. It is predicted that Industry 4.0 technologies will help in the economic regeneration by 2025, enabling enterprises to revamp India's financial status in the post-COVID era, besides acting as game changers. The role of corporations through AI is going to be key for the comeback of Indian economy post-pandemic. New age technologies are set to give India a possibility to engrave itself a striking uniqueness as an international nucleus in the near future. With increasing use of AI functions for digital inclusion in India, it is expected to have a ripple impact on economic prosperity and growth. Analysts foresee that AI can help add nearly up to US $500 billion and 200 million jobs approximately to the Indian economy by 2025. They further foresee that by 2035, this number can go up to USD 957 billion. The Indian government is also in the process of implementing a robust legal framework governing the data of the country, apart from constructing a data-driven society through AI that presents endless prospects to empower people, enhance society, and also boost the ease of doing business in our country. India, through its AI strategy, constituting an extensive pool of AI workforce and an emerging startup ecosystem, has a remarkable chance to be a prominent contributor to the AI-driven resolutions that can further transform agriculture, healthcare, manufacturing, education, and skilling, thereby impacting the economic growth of the country positively to a considerable extent. The adoption of AI in various sectors of the economy is seen to have produced favorable returns by lessening time and risk. In this background, the National Institute for Transforming India, popularly known as Niti Aayog, has decided to focus on 5 sectors that are envisioned to benefit the most from AI in solving society's needs. These are healthcare, agriculture, education, smart cities and infrastructure, and smart mobility and transportation. The Make in India initiative of the Government of India, encouraging new AI innovations through new startups in the field of agriculture, space, education, and healthcare can take Indian economy to great new heights. Enhanced cooperation with other AI powers such as Germany, US, and UK can also further help us in India in designing new solutions and policies for the Indian economy. Friends, India, being one of the fastest growing economies in the world, has a significant stake in the AI revolution that has taken the world by storm. Recognizing AI's potential to transform economies and the need for India to strategize its approach to be a part of this change, the government of India has taken the task of crafting a national strategy for artificial intelligence. Recently, the Ministry of Commerce and Industry in India has set up a task force on AI to kickstart the usage of AI for the country's economic shift. As the world's largest democracy and a country with one of the highest numbers of scientists and engineers, India is a key political, social, and economic player that will shape the course of the fourth industrial revolution. India has embarked on a massive digital transformation. Its ability to fully capitalize on the emerging technologies of the fourth industrial revolution will be one of the leading drivers of global prosperity and peace in coming decades. To ensure India's success in this capacity, the creation of a Center for Fourth Industrial Revolution in India was announced by the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, on 23rd January in the year 2018, when he addressed the gathering of global leaders at the annual meeting of World Economic Forum in Davos. In May 2022, at the first ever Industry 4.0 Awards, announced by none other than the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, the Minister of State for Commerce and Industry, Government of India, Ms. Anupriya Patel, said that technology was the solution and the way forward. Industry 4.0 aims to increase productivity, efficiency, and also address sustainability and climate change issues. Indian industry has a major role to play in realizing Prime Minister Modi's grand vision of India at 2047 and can contribute to the economic development in a way that is both sustainable and inclusive. The only way, friends, the countries can go rapidly and create jobs in today's scenario is by adopting cutting-edge technologies and new age tools. That is, by adopting and adapting to the new technologies and moving ahead on the path of Industrial Revolution 4.0. Just as Japan is associated with quality of production, China with scale, Germany with precision engineering, and USA with innovation, India with the speed of its digital transformation across industry may very well be the leader in Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 is at an inflection point in Indian manufacturing, with more than 2/3 of Indian manufacturers embracing the digital transformation by 2025, thereby contributing to the goal of raising India's manufacturing GDP to 25% of the total GDP of the country. Germany, France, China, USA, etc., have created platforms for pre-competitive cooperation in Industry 4.0. These nations are looking towards automation and control as to replace the expensive manpower and attain lower costs of conversion, thus regain their share in manufacturing economy from emerging economies. Interestingly, friends, the focus of Indian program for Industry 4.0 is on using technology to make products for the global markets at competitive rates and to embrace Industrial Revolution 4.0 and the technologies with latest technological advancements. I will stop here now. Thank you very much.